Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a Louis Vuitton Denim Monogram Sarah wallet unboxing. I've been highly anticipating this collection to come out. It launched on December 31st and I was extremely lucky to be able to purchase this piece. We have it in the Louis Vuitton dust bag. This is it. This is a beautiful piece. The back. Now this piece was made in Spain. We have here the 6 card slots on this side. This little envelope slip for your bills. We have the coin pocket here. Another slip here for your bills or receipts. And then on this side, we also have another 6 card slots. This is an exceptional piece for my collection. And again, this is from the Louis Vuitton Denim collection. Thank you.